really worried too.
Oh boy.
I don't get it. I don't understand what the hell's going on.
Here's one.
Why is she eating cereal? Look at the expression on Hannah's
I know.
face. She's like, I don't get it.
Here's two.
And Patch hit her ears back like, what the
Three.
shit? Now Patch is
Four.
glaring at you like, this is your fault. Oh my god.
Marcy's one more. 5. Marcy.
Is it weird, Patch, huh?
Patch, you saw your buddy-o?
I can't believe she sat on that one.
What, Hannah? What the hell? Again? No.
She was sitting on
I
it.
told you.
And Marcy won't eat it. Did you see her? She sniffed it and went, ew.
Marcy, baby, you missed one.
Here you go. Here's your honey nut buddy-os.
No buddy-os.
And she's purposely avoiding it.
Should I feed the buddy-o to the dog?
Oh my god. Do you think she'll eat it?
Oh, of course she will. What? Hang on.
Yep. I don't care if it smells like kitty butt.
Spicy.
Hannah looks genuinely concerned. I don't understand.
Yeah.
This is just weird.
Oh, I'm gonna hide.
You hypnotized the poor cat.
She's had like 20.
What have you done to her?
She's eating Cheerios faster than a
Look at
toddler.
her. She's like, what the hell did you do to her, human?
Nom. Nom. Oh, thank you.
It's just
Marcy.
this little Hannah head just moving back and forth, looking around.
Look at her.
I don't understand.